Hey, you work in sales and I've got bad news for you. You're never gonna make any more money than you do right now. Prospects are gonna continue to ignore your calls, your emails, and your messages. And within about a year, your credit cards are gonna be maxed out and you're gonna wish you had listened to your crazy Aunt Patty and chose a career as a veterinary technician. I'm just kidding, but if you do feel like that from time to time, minus the crazy Aunt Patty part, I've got good news for you, really good news. Like, you're about to make twice as much money without having to look for a new job type of good news. Here's why you should pay attention to this right now. 1 in 8 people work in sales. Hi, that's you. And most of those people that work in sales are upper middle class, making $80,000 to $200,000 a year. If that's you, watch out. Professional sales is rapidly splitting into 2 groups: low performers that make less than $75,000 a year, and top performers that make $250,000, $500,000, $750,000 or over $1 million a year. So you got 75K or below, and then 250 and on up. Everybody in the middle is about to get annihilated. They're gonna have to work harder and they're gonna have to make a lot less money, unless they figure out how to be a top performer. And top performers today make 3.6 times more money than they did 4 years ago. It's good to be a top performer, really good. How do I know? I've helped thousands of people just like you from every single industry become top performers in sales, doubling their income typically within about 60 days. My name's Matt Easton. I'm the founder of Easton University, the most effective sales coaching system in the world, and exactly the sales process that you need to get prospects' attention, to handle their objections, and to close the deal. The Easton University sales coaching system is new and unique. There's nothing else out there like it. You're gonna learn an exciting way to prospect, consult, and close that's easy and predictable and will get you huge results. Doubling your income in the same sales job you have right now with the same comp plan you have right now, unless there's a cap. We hate caps. Easton University flat out works and will help you become a top performer. And we've got proof, undeniable proof, like 1,000 video testimonials from people just like you that are now sales rock stars, kind of undeniable proof. Here's how Easton University works. It's a simple, straightforward monthly membership with a money-back guarantee. No contracts, no risk. You can start at any time, you can stop at any time. As a member, you're gonna have access to the Easton University video coaching portal with step-by-step video instructions on everything that you're gonna need to know to make $250,000, $500,000, $750,000, over $1 million a year in sales. Here's the really exciting and unique part, and this is huge. As a member, you're gonna be able to join live coaching sessions with me every Tuesday and Thursday. Twice a week, I'm gonna personally coach you and be there with you every step of the way, showing you how to make sales exciting, easy, and predictable. But don't just take my word for it. Click the link here and head over to Easton University and see thousands of video testimonials from people just like you that are now crushing it in sales. Some of them may be the ones that keep winning the business that you're competing for. Here's what I want you to do next. Click the link, get in touch with us, have a look around, check out some of the free sample lessons. There's absolutely no risk, pressure, or commitments at Easton University. But make sure you click the link now, because I do the live coaching sessions personally, and when the slots are full, the slots are full. Easton University is more than a new and unique video coaching portal. It's more than live coaching with me twice a week. It's your future, and you and your future are worth it. Click the link now. I'll see you at Easton University.